Incremental greetings. Today I'm going to share with you how you can copy and transfer templates across collections. And I'm going to use a real example for myself because now I started to incrementally reading on the English collection. But look at that, too shiny now. I wanted their dark layout. Okay, so I'm using the article template, but it's way too different. So what I will do is go to my main collection. I will go to the registry, templates, article, and now I will save this template as a file, save to file, and I will call it, why not, I will create a folder for templates, and I will call it, now I go back to the English, and instead of saving, I will be loading. So I load from file, this one, as you can see, it's not copying everything. The reason for that is because I don't have the styling, link style. Look, style registry, it's empty. So I'm using the SuperMemo.css file for this styling. See, okay, now I can save that for now, save as template, and that will be art. Okay, so I need one step more. Advanced English, text, style, edit file. Copy that to the clipboard. Once again, Advanced English collection, here, text, style, new style. Since it's empty, I don't have any style, I will call it article. Okay, I don't mind whatever it is, because I will be editing as a file. Select that and paste your clipboard, save with Ctrl S, and magic happen. As you can see now, it's as I wanted. And here I have the article. The English collection is only plain text. You don't have HTML components. That's why on the registry you only have fonts, but you don't have styles. And if you happen to have more collections, I will do the same. Since I already copied that onto the file, I will be loading the file, article dark, and voila. So one limitation of this is that you're not copying the stylings, only the template. And there's one other way to do it. If you only have two collections, so if I only had my main collection and the English collection, what I could do instead of creating the file is copying the template. Copy template. Now let's go again. And now template and paste template. Keep in mind, you will be overriding everything. Template, paste template. Yep. Look what happens. I'm getting rid of the content. One more try. Here, probability axioms. Template, paste template. Say no to override components. You do nothing. So you have to really say yes, right? Paste template and yes. But look, I'm overwriting the contents. So actually what I suggest is using a dummy. So you just create a new topic, empty, doesn't matter. Template, paste template, overwrite yes. I don't care about this content, but for me it's useful enough. Now I will save it on my registry. Now I have one copy, so I can even get rid of this very same item.